Over here.
Over here.
Yo, I see people.
Yeah.
Let me go. Give me some. Oh, it's getting my belly.
It's not that bad. It was funny too. Bro, it's another one that way, bro. It's not that bad.
No, the one he showed us after was way smaller. Oh my elbow. Ooh. It's like oh, careful. You good? You keep going?
Make sure we got people behind us, okay?
We gotta crawl through there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait for him to go. Yeah, we have to do this part. Give him some. Yeah. Yeah, I got this. I got this. Yeah, that was easy.
Alright.
Yeah, you got it? This is fun.
Glad you like it. I did too.
Thank you. I'm not talking about you.
It's a chill job. I would love to do this job.
Oh.
This job is so fun.
I made it, girl.
Yeah! See, you made it!
Yeah.
You were scared earlier. Look how far you made it. Just sit down right here.
Yes, we're gonna gather up here, down
See,
in
you
through
guys
there.
were scared.
No lie, bro. I was crying. I was scared.
Nah, you made it though.
I made it, bro. I made it, bro.
Yo, yeah!
I don't know.
Oh my! Oh, so good.
All right.
Come down here.
Come on
You guys
down.
have to come there.
We can go up there.
Yeah, what's your
There's a passage up there that goes into another room. There's only one crawl like this.
It's hot.
Just like that. It's
I go down
kind
there?
of, yeah, go ahead. Go check it
Let's
out.
go!
Go find it.
Let's go! Yo, Omar, you leading? You leading?
Where's the exit?
Omar's leading this.
Break it out.
Let's go!
Hey,
I heard you. Why don't I get in the front? Look, Mercy is huge. Ow! I'm sorry. Okay. Y'all gotta keep moving. Y'all gotta keep moving. There's people in front of me and behind me. I can't do it. I can't, bro. I can be faster than I can. Oh, I'm not going, bro.
Hey, y'all.
Watch your feet turn.
Why am I feet? I can't stand up. I can't go down.
take your time, guys. We're not in a hurry. Yo!
Can I crawl through this? Can I crawl through this?
Yeah.
Where's that? Where am I going to end up at?
Out there somewhere.
Wait, where's out there?
Up this
Can
hall.
you stay right here away from me?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Y'all gonna come with me?
Just go up, make a right at the top.
Okay. It's going to bring us back there.
Yep.
Wait, I'm scared. Wait, hold on. I'm actually scared.
That's all the way down there.
Wait, there's a the whole boat keep going. Keep going forward.
Yeah.
So it's like. Can you go first, Jenny?
No, we ain't going to that. We ain't going to that.
Suits it's not even tight. I just I like directions. Wait, like, going down? I just need directions.
Right.
Is my leg on the brightest one?
Yeah. I got it on the side one because there's no better.
Where are we going?
Which way do we go? Left or right?
We're going that way.
Which way?
That way.
Good job. Thank you.
Up.
You good, man?
Yeah.
Sure? Okay. Wait, are you going up?
Why?
Stop touching my toes! Why keep moving my foot? Holy shit! That's my ball! Is that my ball? Wait, where did I go? Can I go up there?
Go where? Yeah.
What's over there?
Same place.
I'm going up at the same place.
Yeah.
How long? How long is there?
Let's go that way.
No, I want to go
there. Follow the path.
Why up there?
I want to go up there. Go
Okay.
up there.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Come on, wait, it's two. It's a left and a right. Wait, there's a left and a right.
Yep.
And
You talking about yeah? Which one do we take? You talking about yeah? Which one do we take?
We go left and right. Well, up and left. If we're
Yes.
going left.
Today,
Yes.
super excited.
Make a left and then a right.
Make a left. No, left and right.
Yeah, that's because
What the?
You wanna try?
Where's he going?
Where the guys? What is happening?
Yep, right through that hole.
Is this hole happening?
Yep, that hole.
No. That's full tight though.
Hello, buddy.
Oh, you got that. Look at that. Look at that. There you go.
Maybe I'll wait for Journey.
Alan, which one is faster?
This way.
Okay.
I go the fast way.
I'm not going this way.
No, we need to do the fast way so that we can get ahead of them.
Oh, I know where we are. I know where we are. I know this place. What's down there? Alan, they waiting for you.
Whoa,
Why did y'all wait for him? Just go.
this is beautiful.
He said just go.
Oh my god.
Go.
This is so beautiful.
Explore, guys. Just go check things out.
What's his name? Brandon, come help her down.
Is there anyone at the front?
Brandon, come help her down.
Check things out. Go explore. Find something cool.
Huge ledge.
See?
Watch, I'll stand at
There's
the
two. Like, look. There you go. Two.
There you go.
Oh, what's up here?
And you turn.
Is there anything at the front?
What's up there?
Another hallway.
How do I get out of here?
You just keep going. Just go explore.
He says, can I go up there?
Yep.
How do I get out?
Just come back the same way.
What? Oh, you gotta go back to get out. Nuh-uh.
But that room's bigger.
Huh?
That room's really big.
Come on.
There's a lot to explore in there.
Any stuff anywhere? No. Which way? That way. That way. Okay, I'll go this way.
It's Kevin is there.
Oh, in there. Okay,
I know which way's the big one.
that way.
Go ahead, guys. Hey, how's it going?
Yeah. Come on, say.
And you just listen to that test? No,
Oh.
their way. They're coming down.
Alright, guys, let's not get lost of sight. Clear where I'm going.
You can probably zip for there.
You look great.
These guys are moving fast.
And the thing was, it was harder to persuade myself. Go figure, right?
Yeah.
So they all go to the same spot, right? So we bypassed that ledge and put your toes in, right?
There's a bigger hole down here.
You went to the right of that instead of to the left?
Yeah, we went to the right of it.
Yeah. I'm going to the bigger hole. This way. Good girl. This way, yeah. And then Maya, come this way.
So why are we going to this way?
Alan's in the back there.
Where's Alan?
Alan's in the back.
He's not even down there.
Alan left.
He's not even down there.
Just keep going for it, keep going for it.
Language.
Everybody went down.
Everyone's
Hey, I'm right here.
What's up, Rita?
How's it going? You guys look awesome. Hey, Freddie, how are you? It's incredible, no? It's, I gotta get your picture. You're doing so well.
Yo, Brendan, chill out. Oh, my back. I didn't get my back.
Okay.
We were on the other side all the way down.
Can I get a picture of you?
Yeah.
Let me get a picture of you.
No, Brendan, get over here. I need Brendan over here.
Alright, let me
Get
go
on
on
here.
guys.
We're taking a picture. You two, Shane, you explore with me.
Ready?
We'll explore.
Alright, that Brendan? This Brendan. Okay.
Australia, that's
Ready, guys?
Australia.
1, 2, 3. Will you guys turn off your light?
Yeah.
Second, I'm turn on my light.
One second. Yeah, it's good for me.
Put it down. Okay, ready? Alright,
Go. Ready, go first? I got you.
Stop! We gotta go back. We have to go back.
Take your time, guys. Just explore.
I got it. They say we have to go back.
Why?
Alright. They say y'all gotta go back.
Let me see.
I didn't say that.
Let me and Brendan see. Let me and Brendan see. I want to see. Wait, what do you mean we have to go back? Have you seen all the other back?
I told him there's a sliding here to get out of the cave. There's it, it's right there. These are all little shoots that you can actually take also.
Yeah. A lot. Some of them go places, some of them don't. And some of them, they just get so narrow. 'Cause I think that there's water gets in through here
Okay.
some way or other. I was in here once and the water was all the way up to here.
Really?
Yeah, it was but it was only once in 20 years that I've seen that. And I think that was the year we had that tremendous snow
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
and that melted and just went right into the cave. So we have everybody with us?
They said we said that was
I think so.
Yeah, we're all together.
They didn't want to split up.
No,
That's okay.
it's like sheep. One started going and they're like, nah.
Karen didn't say, if you go down, you're gonna do a true teen adventure thing. The other ones will do sort of like teen adventure. So if you were a kid, where would you go? The true adventure.
Yeah.
You good, Brendan? Is that dead end?
Going there.
It dead ends eventually, but it goes pretty far.
Okay. Can we go that way? It goes pretty far, he says. He says it goes. Oh yeah, me and Brendan are going to go back. No, we're gonna go up in front after. Once they all come back, me and him are gonna go up. And see.
Push it up. No, I mean, let me get in front of you.
Some of these holes go places too.
He's on the
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, what's down here? What's on?
What's down there?
The same hallway that's down there.
Oh shoot.
It all goes to the same place.
So like we could go down there and stuff. You
Yeah.
wanna go down there?
You go down there, you can go in here,
Yeah, let's go
over
down.
here,
Shane!
up over the rocks.
Shane, this way. Well, can we go up on the rocks?
Yeah, you can go
Yeah,
up
we're going
there.
up.
There's a whole room up there.
Yeah, I wanna go to that room.
Room up there?
Yeah, me and
it's
Shane are going up.
a big room.
Let me get in front because
What? Because of what?
Take your time.
I'm
Don't rush.
faster.
Do not rush.
We're not supposed to rush it though.
Yeah, but
take
like,
your, take your
if we
time.
get stuck at the dead end and we have to pull each other up, he's gonna take.
Yeah, we have to pull each other up on the shoulder, so I should be fine.
Whatever you say, little.
What?
I feel like it's too many of y'all doing too many things. They are just y'all need to practice.
What do you mean? It's just three of us doing one thing.
You got it?
Unless you guys following us.
You going up? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put her here. Your legs are shorter. Reach the other side of that rock. You got it? You can stand on my knee.
Where were you?
Push off my knee.
We can stand on you. I just now seeing you.
I went all over.
Where am I going? How I get
I
up
don't
there?
know.
How I get up there?
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know?
Climb up here. There's a foothold here. Boost off my knee. And you can go. Reach on the other side of this rock here.
I can't reach, I'm short.
Okay, all right. Put your foot up here. There you go.
I don't need your knees.
Yeah, you got this.
Yes, you got it.
Oh no, let me.
Come on.
Right there. That's it.
What to do from here? You did it. Okay. Wait.
1 foot there, 1 foot there, and then
1 foot. Okay.
the other foot there. That's it.
Okay.
Up and over. Up and over. There we go.
Imagine me wanting to go to bed. Yo, your leg's not safe. What do I do?
All right. Hold on, don't want to get too close. Reach on the other side of this rock. You put your foot up on my knee. And lift yourself over. Yeah. Go. Just do it. Go. Hold up. Wait till she's. Yeah, that's a good grip there. There you go. Actually, it's a lot easier if you belly flop up on top of the rock. Don't try to step on it. Just get your belly up on there, okay?
I'm about to fall.
There you go. You want to try? There's also a foothold over on that side too. Use those rocks there. Hold on to where your hands are. You got it. Step. You go around it or reach over. Okay, wait till he's done.
Too late.
Just go. Is it like a big drop over here?
There's a hole there. Reach to the other side. That's it. Now step over.